Start before you are ready. Guys, stop overthinking. Stop procrastinating. अरे यार ये कैसे ये हो जाए, मैं तब करूंगा, पहले इसको अच्छे से कर लूं फिर करूंगी, ये हो जाए वो हो जाए. So many conditions. There will never be a day कि कोई ऊपर से आके बोलेगा here you go, you're ready to go. It will never happen. You just have to start and you will find all the other tools on the way. I have no idea how this day today happened. I just knew I wanted to do this. And similarly, 6 months ago, when I started my venture for children by the name Spiritual Gym for Kids, that was the time I actually wanted to start my life coaching program first. And I wanted to do all this. I just had that desire and I was running after my desire. बहुत सालों से मन में desire थी. Suddenly, बचपन से थी, वो मुझे याद नहीं है. And you know that one fine day when I was taking my steps, I suddenly had another desire. You know, when I look at so many kids around, हम अब बड़े हो गए हैं, बड़ों को थोड़ा change करने में वक्त लगता है. I used to watch so many kids around and I would look at that these are little sponge, untapped potential. Imagine what I have learned, the people who take this path of personal growth, what they learn along the way. If these bachas start learning at an early age, what a miraculous life they will have. What belief systems they are going to approach the world with. And they will take the world. जिंदगी में ऑब्स्टिकल जरूर आएंगी, ये चीजें आपकी ऑब्स्टिकल्स को नहीं खत्म करती हैं. But you will know it is here to obstruct, not to obstruct, but to instruct. ये रास्ता ठीक नहीं है, दूसरा ले लो. It will never stop you. So without thinking anything, I think 3 हफ्ते के अंदर मैंने उसकी प्लानिंग करी and I launched my program without knowing what, क्या, कैसे नहीं. Just एक मन की desire थी. और वो जो मन की desire है उसको ये बोला, this is certainly sent by God. This is certainly sent by the Creator. And I was not prepared, but I just went on. And today when I look back, even when I launched, I'm like, oh my God, मैंने ये ढंग से नहीं करा, ये बाकी है, वो बाकी है, ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है. And this is what I did. Start before you're ready. And I learned so much along the way. I have broken so much of comfort zone in the past 6 months that I can't even begin to tell you. I had not thought about this workshop also maybe a few weeks ago, that I'm going to be standing right here. I thought maybe I'll do my first workshop a few months later or next year, I don't know when. And then I said, no, I'm going to go beyond my fear and I'm going to take this risk and I'm going to do it. So that's what we all need to do. And with that, there will be a lot of challenge. You will have to learn to say no. You will have to learn to prioritize. So many times you will have to just learn how to prioritize. Things will keep calling. आज किसी का फोन आया, आज किसी ने बोला, टाइम जाता रहेगा. But let me tell you, every person in the world has the same time given, equal time given to everybody. So let's not make excuses and let's also know that there is one life. If we ever listen to the regrets of old people or the people who are dying, आप उनसे यही सुनोगे, यार मन में ये इच्छा रह गई, ये नहीं करा यार जिंदगी में. You don't want that situation. You want to consciously start planning your life. कोई बात नहीं, failures होंगे, चलेगा. Failures actually बहुत important हैं. Scientifically, from neuroscience point of view, failures are very important. You'll be surprised to know, and this is what I tell the kids who come to Spiritual Gym for Kids, celebrate failures. Failures इतने जरूरी हैं. हमारी जो ब्रेन है, ब्रेन के जो सेल्स हैं, वो डेवलप ही फेलियर से होते हैं. How our brain cells function is, when we have a thought, when we do something, वो हमारी ब्रेन में, जैसे हम व्हाट्सएप करते हैं ना, एक दूसरे को चैट करते हैं, हमारी ब्रेन में सेल्स हैं कॉल्ड न्यूरॉन्स. So the moment we think something or we do something, वो एक दूसरे को ना आपस में, वो न्यूरॉन्स एक दूसरे को व्हाट्सएप करने लगते हैं. सपोज मैंने अपने माइंड में सोचा, आई हैव अ बैड मेमोरी, एक न्यूरॉन दूसरे को व्हाट्सएप करेगा, वो दूसरा तीसरे को करेगा, राखी हैज अ बैड मेमोरी, राखी हैज अ बैड मेमोरी, और वो एक पूरा पाथवे बना लेते हैं. एक रोड बना लेते हैं, वो रोड जब पक्की हो जाती है ना, उसको तोड़ना हमें बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है. एंड दिस इज ऑल न्यूरो साइंस. उसको चेंज करने के लिए एक नया मैसेज हमें दोबारा भेजना पड़ता है टू चेंज दैट. एंड वी गोइंग टू डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ दैट टुडे शॉर्टली. सो प्लीज do what you have to. Believe that failures are going to come on your way and it is going to be good for you. हम जब फेल होते हैं, यही हमारे न्यूरॉन्स नया रास्ता निकालते हैं कि ऐसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हुई, इसको ऐसे करेंगे. यू नो थॉमस एडिसन, द मैन हु इन्वेंटेड द लाइट बल्ब, ये बल्ब बनाने से पहले यू नो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स ही फेल्ड? 10,000 times. And you know what he said? I didn't fail. I learned 10,000 ways of not making a bulb. He didn't fail. You never fail. You're learning. You're always learning.